Welcome to ZAP HUB. How to edit your service provider profile. Whether you've taken the initiative to create your account yourself and are now ready to complete the remaining details, or you had a sales contractor assist you with setting up the initial part of your profile and would like to return later to finalize everything, this guide is here to walk you through it with ease and confidence. Direct yourself to the top right corner of the screen, where you will click Login. You will then be redirected to the login page, where you will select your role as a service provider, and moving down you will enter your credentials to securely sign in to your account. Then press Login. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be automatically redirected to your dashboard, where you can manage and complete your profile details. Looking to the left side of the screen, you will see several important sections related to your profile, each designed to help you manage and update your information with ease. Click on Update Personal Information, where you can upload your profile picture, add your professional license, and review or edit your general details to ensure your profile is complete and up to date. Here, you can view your current package, manage or cancel it if needed, and explore other available packages. This allows you to review the additional features and benefits offered, should you wish to upgrade and unlock more value through ZAP HUB. Here, you will be able to review and update additional information related to you as a service provider, ensuring your business details are accurate, complete, and professionally presented. Next, enter your business name and business address, ensuring all details are accurate for clients to find you. Below that, enter your province and region as shown. Here, you can add more specific location details to help clients find your business with greater accuracy and clarity. Moving down, enter your business description. Remember, you have a maximum of 2,000 characters, so be clear and concise without exceeding the limit. Moving down, you will be able to select an estate to associate yourself with, allowing you to be listed as a service provider linked to that estate. Once you have selected your desired estate, click Submit Application to complete the process. Moving down, you will have the option to add your business logo, giving your profile a professional and recognizable identity. On the right, you can add up to 30 images, each with a title of no more than 15 characters, to showcase your business and highlight what you offer. You can also rearrange your images by moving them if you want them displayed in a different order. Once you're happy with your updates, scroll down to the bottom and click Done to ensure all your edits are applied. Below that, you can add your introduction video, a brief overview of your business, to help people understand what you do and who you are. Your video can be up to 3 minutes long and can be up to 50 megabytes in size, so make sure it does not exceed these limits. Below that, you can enter your service rate to let clients know the cost of your services. Next, select your type of rate from the options provided, as shown. Moving down, you can add your working hours as shown. This lets clients and visitors know when you're available, helping them reach out at the right time and showing that your business is professional and reliable. Once you have set your working hours, scroll to the bottom and click Save to ensure all updates are applied. Below that, you can add your experience, giving clients confidence that you are skilled and capable of delivering high-quality work. You will then be able to add the areas you service, based on the package you have selected, by entering them in this section. Here, you can provide a more detailed description of your experience, highlighting your skills, accomplishments, and expertise to build trust with potential clients. At the top of this section, you can add more work experience if you have additional roles or achievements to include. Click Save once you are satisfied. Moving down, you will find the Customer Reviews section. Here, you can view reviews linked to your account, monitor how many you have received, and choose whether to enable or disable customer reviews on your profile. Here, you will be able to view your customer testimonials in detail and access additional information about each one. From this section, you can choose to make them public on your profile or delete them if necessary. Moving down, you will see the Social Media Links section, where you can add links to your profiles. This makes it easy for clients and visitors to find and connect with you across your social media platforms. Moving down, you will be able to edit your contact information, ensuring clients have the correct details to quickly and conveniently get in touch with you. Press Save, and your profile will now be successfully updated. And that's it. Once you've updated all your details, your profile is now fully complete and visible on ZAP HUB, making it easy for clients and potential customers to discover your business and connect with you. This is your moment to shine and showcase everything your business has to offer.